Hi guys, welcome to my channel and today's video about vanity makeover. So this is my second piece from the bedroom set that I'm working on, and this is the vanity. And we're gonna start with a black color, then we're gonna blend the red with it to get that maroon, dark maroon color. And the more we add red, the lighter the color will be. Here I'm gonna use two brushes. One, the black color and red, and the other brush is the pink and red, because the black will definitely get a very dark tone to the brush. So I can't just blend it to the lighter or take it to the lighter color. For the second brush, I'll use the red color and the pink. No black, only red and pink. I'll apply the red, then I'll add the pink and keep blending. If I feel the paint will dry or is not blending, I'll just add water. What I like about the Country Chic paint, their products have 0 to low VOC levels. So it is completely safe around kids. You can use it for their furniture, toys, or even projects. Because I was adding only pink color, if you see the top pink is way lighter than the bottom one, because my brush right now doesn't have the red tone into it. But I'm gonna show you here very fast how I did the first side, then you can have an idea about how to mix the colors. For the details, I added the metallic gold, but when I put the knobs back, I noticed two different gold on the vanity, and I didn't really like that. So I just added the rub and buff on the details, and it popped. It was really nice. I loved it, and it dries so fast. So I wanted to add a little bit like a cute detail to the vanity, and I always wanted to try this stencil. So I said, why not? I added the gold, and the gold was so light. This one is like you can't even see it. So I just mix it with the same color of the top, which is the Ooh La La light pink, and I added a little bit of it, and it was nice. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.